So one cool thing your Casio GDC can do is that it can actually work out the modulus and argument of a complex number. So how can you make it do that? You need to go on the setup. So you press on Shift menu so that you can access setup, and then you scroll down and you try to find the complex mode here. So if by default it is under a plus bi, it means that it can work with complex numbers in the form a plus bi, meaning if you type 2 plus 3i plus 2i, it's going to give you as an answer 2 plus 5i. So that is only possible if it is under the a plus bi mode. If it is under the real mode, then it can actually just work with whole numbers. Now, if you want the modulus and argument of a complex number to be given to you, you need to choose this one, so the r theta mode, and you can access it by pressing on F3. So you press on F3 and now you can see that it is in the correct mode. So this will allow you to have a complex number, and then if you're tapping a complex number, it will work out its modulus and argument for you. All right, and let's say you've done a calculation where you've multiplied two complex numbers and you have a final answer. It will by default just give you the r and theta as the answer. It won't write the complex number for you. So how does it work out? If I just exit, let's say I've got 1 plus I as an answer. And this is my final answer. If I press on execute, what it does is that it gives me back the root of 2, which is the modulus, and the pi over 4, which is the argument. So root of 2 is obtained by using the modulus formula. So it's root of 1 square plus 1 square. You get root of 2. And pi over 4 is the argument because it's found in the first quadrant, whereby it has moved 1 unit on the real axis and 1 on the imaginary axis. So it's exactly halfway of the first quadrant, meaning it's 45 degrees, so that's pi over 4. All right, so it's quite useful to use this feature in case you want to check your answers. You've worked with a complex number, and then you've got a final result. After that, you've manipulated the complex number a bit, and you want to check what's the modulus and argument. After that, you've worked it out manually, so you can just switch to this mode and then put the complex number and then ask the calculator to actually give you the modulus and argument of it.